Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video. In fact, it's going to be my first video that is related to cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. So recently what happened was I started playing this, not say playing, I would say interacting with this so-called virtual reality world that runs on your web browser. It's called Decentraland. You can check it out for yourself, what Decentraland is all about. But basically, one aspect of this Decentraland is that they have this concept where you can buy things for your virtual reality world, for Decentraland. So you can buy a lot things like they call it as collectibles. So, like recently, I saw that the Ubiq community came out with this. They launched this so-called special edition wearables. They call it the Cyberpunk Crypto Armor powered by Ubiq, and that's how I got into playing this Decentraland in the first place because I wanted to get hold of this so-called cool-looking armor suit. Okay, in order for me to do that in Decentraland, you need to have this like a currency, and this currency in Decentraland is called Mana. So it's an ERC20 cryptocurrency token. So I also have Ubiq coins, and that's when I learned that I can actually convert Ubiq coin to the Decentraland Mana token. So that's what I'm going to do today. I've done this before. That's how I managed to actually buy. I can just show you my assets right now. I've bought these two wearables, and it basically belongs to me virtually at least. So this is how my avatar looks like in the online Decentraland virtual reality world. So as you can see, I have put on the that special edition Cyberpunk Crypto armor suit powered by Ubiq. So yeah, it's quite a cool looking piece of wearables. Ooh. Okay. Anyway, let's get back to the tutorial. So let's go ahead with this tutorial. Okay, just before I do that, I'm just going to run through quickly, giving you an overview of what we are actually going to do. I would say the conversion flow. So what we're going to do is that we're going to convert Ubiq coin first. We're going to convert Ubiq to Mana token, but that's not like a very straightforward process. So they actually had to go through some conversion and swapping and transfers, and so this is what we're going to do. So first we're going to convert Ubiq coin to wrap Ubiq token using this online tool called Shinobi. So I'm just going to take up the description of Shinobi directly from their website. Shinobi is a protocol for creating liquidity and trading ERC20 tokens on the Ubiq platform. So we're going to use Shinobi. Okay, after we do that, we're going to transfer the wrap Ubiq from the Ubiq network to the Polygon or MATIC network using Redshift Bridge. So Redshift Bridge is also another tool that just recently launched on the Ubiq platform. As you can see, it just launched last month. Redshift is actually is Ubiq's first multi-directional bridge, which allows value transfers between Ubiq and other compatible blockchains. So as of right now, the Redshift bridge is currently linked Ubiq to the Polygon network. So you can transfer tokens between the Ubiq blockchain and also the Polygon blockchain. So in the future, they also have plans to add more networks such as Ethereum. Okay, so we're going to use Redshift in our conversion process. Once we do that, once we have transferred the wrap Ubiq to the Polygon network, we're going to convert the wrap Ubiq to the MATIC coin. So that's the native coin for the Polygon network. And we're going to use the QuickSwap.Exchange. And then once we have MATIC in our account or in our wallet, we can then just convert that MATIC to the Decentraland Mana token. So it's like a 4-step conversion process. Okay, so in order for us to do that, I would assume that you are familiar with Metamask or Sparrow. Okay, so you need to have Metamask or Sparrow extension installed in your web browser. So for this tutorial, for instance, I'm going to use Metamask running on my Microsoft Edge web browser. But what I'm also going to do today later on is I'm going to also show you how you can add custom network, the Ubiq and also the Polygon network to your Metamask. Another prerequisite that you need to have, or you need to, in order to do this, obviously need to have the Ubiq in your wallet, and you also need to have some very small amount of MATIC coin in your wallet. This is actually required as a gas fee to complete some of the transactions. So if you don't have MATIC in your wallet, one way that you can get some MATIC into your wallet is by using this thing called faucets. I think, for instance, there's a video actually on YouTube from the Ubiq channel to show you how you can use the Polygon faucet to get MATIC. I'm going to provide you the link to that video in this tutorial. Okay, so let's move on. So we're going to start off by first I need to log into my Metamask. So let me just expand my view to be easier. I'm just going to close the Marketplace and Decentraland. So another thing that I would highly recommend, that if you're going to interact with Decentraland, for instance, maybe it's a good idea to create a different wallet for your interaction with Decentraland. For instance, in my case, I have like 3 wallets in my Metamask. My main wallet that I use for transfers, transfer some coins or tokens from my other wallets. I have a wallet that's dedicated for interacting with NFTs. And then I have this particular wallet here with this particular address that I use to interact with Decentraland. So this is the wallet that I'm going to use today to do this tutorial. And as you can see right now, I only have the, when you install Metamask, they only have the Ethereum mainnet so-called added to Metamask. So, but we're going to interact with Ubiq and MATIC. So in order for us to do that, we have to add Ubiq network and MATIC network to Metamask. To do that is very simple. Just click on the icon, go to Settings, Networks, and you can click Add Network. So the first network I'm going to add is the Ubiq network. So I have all the details over here. I'm going to put up the link to this text file so that you can later on copy and just paste it to Metamask. So I already have all this information actually because I've done this before. So the chain ID is 8, the currency is Ubiq, and the block explorer is ubiqscan.io. So I just save. Yep. So now you can see I now have the Ubiq mainnet in my Metamask. So if I close this, you can see that I already have some Ubiq in in this wallet. Okay, so I have 130 Ubiq. Now another thing that I need to add is the wrap Ubiq. Like I said just now, you need to convert Ubiq to wrap Ubiq with the symbol wUBQ. In order for you to see that, you have to add the token. So just click on Add Token. So I have this wrap Ubiq on the Ubiq mainnet contract address. So I just need to copy this and just paste it into the token address. And the moment I do that, automatically you'll see that the MetaMask will identify this contract address as wrap Ubiq. So I just need to click Next and Add Tokens. So that's about it. So as you can see in my Ubiq mainnet, I can see that I have 130 Ubiq, and I already have some wrap Ubiq from my previous transactions. I have 5 instead. Okay, now the next step is we need to also to add the Polygon MATIC network. Again, to do that, just go to settings, add networks, and this time around, gonna add a new network. So for Polygon MATIC, these are the details. The RPC is this. Yeah, again, I already have those address. Chain ID is 137, currency symbols MATIC, and the block explorer is polygonscan.com. So I just save that, and you can see now I have Ethereum, Ubiq. I have already added Ubiq just now, and now I have Polygon. So if I go to my wallet under the Polygon Mainnet, I will see that I have 0.5 MATIC. Okay, and then on top of that, I also need to add the wUBQ to the Polygon Mainnet. Okay, just take note of this. It has a different address. If I use the same address that I used to add wUBQ to the Ubiq network, if I just add it there, you see that Metamask is not able to identify the contract address. So you just come up with some error saying symbol must be 11 characters or fewer. So the correct address for wUBQ for the MATIC mainnet is different. So this is the one. So I'm just going to copy this, paste it, and immediately you see Metamask will identify this contract address as wUBQ for the Polygon network. So I just add that. And again, I actually already have some balanced wUBQ on my Polygon network in my Decentraland wallet. And finally, I need to also add the mana token to Metamask. And this is the contract address. Just copy it, paste, and automatically Metamask will identify this contract address as mana. And so as you can see, in my wallet under the Polygon Mainnet, I have 0.5 MATIC, I have 10 wUBQ, and I have 8 mana. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I want to get some more mana for my Decentraland virtual marketplace. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert some Ubiq to wUBQ, and to do that I'll just go to the Shinobi website. Okay, so first I need to double check, just need to click on Metamask, make sure that I need to change this to Ubiq mainnet, okay, because we are interacting with Shinobi on the Ubiq platform, and I just got to make sure that I'm using the correct wallet that I'm going to use for for this purpose. So that's all checked out. So what I need to do now, just click connect to wallet. It will prompt me, say try again. So if I bring this up, you will see that I need to allow Decentraland to interact with Shinobi. So I just need to click, select Decentraland if I can do for all, or maybe no, I'll just do this for Decentraland. So this will allow Metamask to interact with Shinobi. So now that I allow the Shinobi website to interact with Metamask, now I can see my balance of Ubiq on the Shinobi. And what we're going to do next is we're just going to convert some Ubiq to wUBQ. So I'm not going to convert all of them. One thing I learned is that you always need to leave some amount of the original coin or Ubiq in that wallet if you want to do some conversion. So I'm just going to transfer like 100 Ubiq to wUBQ. So it will prompt me for my password, and it will prompt me to confirm this transaction. As you can see, the gas fee for this transaction is 0.00286. So that's really low. So I'm just going to confirm, and we just have to wait. So like I said, I've done this before. I've transferred some, I've done some conversions before. So this is the latest conversion. So give it a bit of time. For those who are not familiar with the Ubiq platform, the block time for the Ubiq blockchain is 88 seconds. So there are some other networks like Ethereum. I think the block times are faster than this. So give it a bit of time as the transaction gets confirmed through the Ubiq blockchain. So like I said just now, I've learned my lesson previously where I tried to convert all of the balance of the coin to a different coin, and I don't leave anything left for the gas fee, and then you can't complete that transaction. So while we're at it, we can, like I said, I also put some of my Ubiq coin to the Shinobi liquidity pool. So it's something interesting that maybe you may want to check out. And similarly, like I said, the Redshift is something, it's like a new tool that was released last month. So these are one of the things that I'm just learned recently. And one thing good about Ubiq, because okay, there we go. We already have the transaction confirmed, so we can see that the whole transaction in the Ubiq Explorer. Okay, so now if I go to Metamask, I go to my asset, you will see now that my Ubiq is now gone down to 30, and the 100 wrap Ubiq that I've converted is now inside my wallet. You can see now that my wrap Ubiq is 105. Alright, so maybe just to make it easier, let me just expand the view so you can see now 30 Ubiqs left in my wallet, and now I have 105 wrap Ubiq in my wallet under the Ubiq mainnet. Now the second step, we need to transfer this wrap Ubiq to the Polygon MATIC network. And in order for us to do that, we're going to use another tool. So this time around, we're going to use the Redshift Bridge. So again, if you're first time using Redshift, and yes, you need to connect it to your your MetaMask. So again, make sure that I'm in my Ubiq mainnet, and I'm just going to click connect your prompt, and again it will prompt me to allow the Redshift to interact with MetaMask on my Decentraland wallet. So next, yep. So as you can see immediately, Redshift I will identify that I have 105 wrap Ubiq in my wallet, and I want to connect to my same wallet but on the Polygon network. So when I click here, I can see this is the address. Okay, you can always change this other address, but I'm transferring this within the same wallet. So I've just got to make sure that I have the same address over here. So what I'm going to do now, again, similarly to what we did with Shinobi, I'm not going to send the whole 105 wrap Ubiq to Polygon. It's always good to leave some amount of the coin or token in the wallet to cover the gas fee. So I'm just going to send 100. So on top of the gas fee, there's also a 2 Ubiq bridge fee if you want to use the Redshift to transfer wrap Ubiq to the Polygon network. So I'm going to click transfer. So it's going to prepare. So you see here the amount is 100 Ubiq, destination to my same Decentraland wallet, transfer Ubiq to the Polygon network, and I can just click confirm. MetaMask will pop up. It will show me that the fee associated with this transaction is 0.00435 UBIQ, and on top of that also they will also deduct 2 UBIQ for the bridge fee. So I can just confirm that. Again, like I said, they will confirm again. So the gas fee plus the bridge fee of 2 UBIQ. So this is the total amount that we used to as basically the fee to do this transaction. So I'm going to confirm that and click complete this transaction. So now you can see that this transaction is going through, I would say, the whole process going through the blockchains. Give it a bit of time. I think maybe, I think from my previous experience, it will take roughly about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I think, again, it depends on a lot of factors. Just to share with you, this particular transaction over here, this 125 UBIQ, I lost 125 UBIQ because, like I said, this is where I learned my lesson that I transferred the whole amount. Actually, if I recall, Metamask actually prompted me that there's something wrong with my with the transaction. So I decided to proceed anyway. I just clicked confirm even though there was like a warning. Okay, so now this transaction has been confirmed. Alright, so you can see now I have, instead of 30 UBIQ, if I go back to my Metamask, you see now 2 UBIQ has been deducted from my Ubiq account, and the 100 rep UBIQ has been transferred to the Polygon network. So now what I can do, I can probably check whether I've received that 100 rep UBIQ on the Polygon Mainnet. So as you can see, I have my MATIC, my 10 rep, I have a balance of 10 rep UBIQ in my account. So we have transferred that rep UBIQ to, like I said, to the Polygon network. So to check that, I'll probably just have to go to the Polygon Explorer, just copy my address and see, because we have done that part of the Ubiq network. It's still going through the whole process now on the Polygon network. So so as you can see, that 100 rep Ubiq is still not in my account. I have to give it a little bit of time. So in the meantime, while waiting for the rep Ubiq to arrive in my account or my wallet, like I said, the next step is once you have the rep Ubiq, you need to convert it to MATIC. And in order for you to do that, you need to use the QuickSwap.Exchange. So you already have the link over here. So you can see a trade rep Ubiq on Polygon. So if I click that, it will bring me to the QuickSwap.Exchange. Okay. Now, in order to interact with the in order for QuickSwap to interact with your Metamask, I have got to make sure that right now I need to select Polygon Mainnet, not Ubiq. Okay, so let me just confirm that. Continue and say connect to the wallet. Say I will allow Metamask, my Decentraland wallet on Metamask to interact with QuickSwap. Confirm connect. So I can see right now, QuickSwap can see that I only have 10 rep Ubiq balance in my wallet. So like I said, I'm still waiting for that 100 rep Ubiq to arrive in my wallet. Give it a bit of time. Okay, it takes a few minutes before those tokens arrive. So welcome back. So finally, the Finally, after less than 10 minutes, finally the 100 rep Ubiq that I sent from my Ubiq network to the Polygon has arrived in my wallet. So you can see now I have 110 rep Ubiq in my wallet under the Polygon Mainnet. So now that we have that 110 rep Ubiq, the next step in our process is to convert the rep Ubiq to the MATIC coin using the QuickSwap. So again, I'm going to interact. So make sure, am I connected here? Let me just refresh this. Okay, just to, so it will prompt me to connect. See whether we can. Oh, here, no. Okay, maybe the best way that I can do this, that I can actually see the, now you can see that QuickSwap, I can already see that 110 rep Ubiq in my wallet, and now I'm planning to convert some of this rep Ubiq to MATIC. So in order to do that, just very simple, just type how amount of rep Ubiq that I want to convert to MATIC. So I'm probably going to do 100. So 100 rep Ubiq will be converted to just slightly below 20 MATIC. So yeah, so do I want to go ahead? Maybe I just 105. So give me roughly about 20 MATIC. So this is the basically the minimum amount that I probably can will receive. The price impact is 0.05%. The liquidity provider fee is about 6.629 rep Ubiq. So that's why, like I said, always make sure that you don't convert or transfer the whole amount. Always leave some amount of token or coins in that wallet just to cover the fees or gas fee. And in terms of the route for the conversion, what you're going to do is you're going to convert rep Ubiq to the Ethereum and then to rep MATIC. So I'm going to approve this transaction. Pop-up window will come up from Metamask for me to confirm this transaction, and then just confirm. Once it's inside the Polygon network, again, the whole transaction is going to be pretty quick. Like I said, the only part that took quite a lot of time was this part of the transfer between the Ubiq to the Polygon network, where we have this relayer doing this conversion. So it's going to be approving, and there we have it. We have transaction 0 confirmed. And I think they have to go a few more confirmations before we get the MATIC in the wallet. So you can see just now, just to do that conversion, that some amount of MATIC has been used as a gas fee when I sent the rep Ubiq to the Polygon network. And finally, so I think it takes less than 2 minutes to get this approved. All right, let's see. So now, if I go to now, what I need to do is I just need to swap the. Once we had that confirmation, now I just need to do is just to convert. Basically, like I said, it actually goes through the rep MATIC. So I'm just going to confirm the swap. Transmissions submitted, and now I just have to wait and see. Okay, so currently it's pending. So I can speed up if I want to, but it will incur some further gas fee. So like I said, swapping the 105 rep Ubiq to 20.9 Matic. So we have the confirmation, transaction 1 is confirmed. So there you go. Oh, okay, actually has already been confirmed. Okay, that's odd, but anyway, you can see in my Metamask now that I have 21.4199 Matic, and now that I only have 5 rep Ubiq left in my my wallet under the Polygon Mainnet. So I think I can probably close this, or maybe I just leave it. But okay, now for the final, I would say step is we just want to swap the Matic to the Mana token. So to do that, just go to Metamask, select swap. So I'm gonna select Mana, Decentraland Mana, and like I said, I have about 20. Let me just check again just now. I have 21.4. As I always make sure I leave some amount of Matic in the wallet for a gas fee. So I'm just gonna convert 21 Matic to Mana. So we'll review the swap first. It will come up with some proposals. And as you can see, 21 Matic will give will be converted to roughly about 33 mana. So the maximum network fee is roughly about 0.11 Matic. So if you compare the even on the Ubiq platform, so Polygon, the gas fee is very cheap if you compare that to something that's on the Ethereum network. So that's very quick. So now if I go back to my account, let me just give it a bit of time. It's actually going through the process of swapping. As you can see now, my Matic has been deducted, and now I have 41.496 mana in my account. So now if I go to Decentraland account, I'm just going to switch to in order to run. Okay, so you can see now I have 41 mana in my Decentraland account. I have 41 Polygon mana. So so that's it. So the whole process, I would say, excluding that part where I'm adding all those networks and tokens to Metamask, I think roughly will take roughly about 20 minutes to do the whole conversion. So that's about it. So I hope that you find this tutorial helpful and beneficial to you. And I'm still learning a lot about this blockchain technology is still, there's a lot of things I need to learn. Yeah, but if I do learn something new and I feel like something worth sharing, I'll probably come up with some new videos. Like I said, I also like to take this opportunity to share that the Ubiq platform actually have their own NFT platform. It's called Token.Gallery. So I've also been, I would say, interacting a lot in the Token.Gallery. I've bought some nice artwork NFTs from Token.Gallery. So do check it out. Again, maybe I'll do another video some other time on how you can buy NFTs from Token.Gallery. So right now there are quite a number of new, I would say, artworks that's just newly released. So you can see some of the prices are, I mean, obviously compared to Ethereum is a whole lot cheaper. All right, so that's it, guys. Till next time. Bye.